Don't forget to turn on YouTube captions now and choose your language for instant translations. Know. He knows the answer. Knew. She knew the truth. Known. I have known him for years. Think. I think it is a good idea. Thought. She thought about the problem. Thought. He has thought deeply. Understand. He understands the rules. Understood. She understood the lesson. Understood. I have understood everything. Tell. She tells a story. Told. He told me a secret. Told. I have told you before. Show. I show my work to the teacher. Showed. She showed me her house. Shown. He has shown great progress. Find. They find the keys. Found. She found a lost puppy. Found. I have found my wallet. Buy. I buy fresh vegetables. Bought. She bought a new dress. Bought. He has bought a car. Bring. He brings his laptop to work. Brought. She brought me flowers. Brought. I have brought my books. Build. They build houses. Built. He built a tree house. Built. She has built a career. Catch. I catch the ball. Caught. She caught a cold. Caught. He has caught a fish. Choose. She chooses the best option. Chose. He chose the red shirt. Chosen. I have chosen my path. Cut. He cuts the paper. Cut. She cut her hair. Cut. They have cut the cake. Draw. I draw pictures. Drew. She drew a portrait. Drawn. He has drawn a sketch. Drive. He drives to work. Drove. She drove to the city. Driven. I have driven a sports car. Fall. The leaves fall in autumn. Fell. He fell off the bike. Fallen. She has fallen asleep. Feel. I feel happy today. Felt. She felt sad. Felt. He has felt this before. Put. He puts the book on the table. Put. She put the keys on the desk. Put. I have put my phone here. Begin. I begin my work at 9 a.m. Began. She began her studies. Begun. He has begun a new project. Keep. He keeps his room clean. Kept. She kept the documents safe. Kept. I have kept my promise. Hold. She holds a pen in her hand. Held. He held the baby carefully. Held. I have held the meeting. Stand. He stands near the door. Stood. She stood in the rain. Stood. They have stood for hours. Sit. I sit on the couch. Sat. He sat by the window. Sat. She has sat there before. Lose. They lose their keys often. Lost. He lost his phone. Lost. I have lost my wallet. Pay. She pays for lunch. Paid. He paid the bill. Paid. I have paid the rent. Meet. I meet new people every day. Met. She met an old friend. Met. They have met before. Learn. He learns Spanish. Learned. She learned a new skill. Learnt. I have learnt the basics. Teach. She teaches English. Taught. He taught math. Taught. They have taught for years. Sell. He sells fresh vegetables. Sold. She sold her old bike. Sold. They have sold their house. Send. She sends an email daily. Sent. He sent me a message. Sent. I have sent the report. Break. He breaks his phone. Broke. She broke the glass. Broken. I have broken my leg. Fight. They fight for justice. Fought. He fought bravely. Fought. I have fought many battles. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Flew. She flew to Paris. Flown. I have flown many times. Forget. He forgets his keys often. Forgot. She forgot my birthday. Forgotten. I have forgotten the answer. Grow. Plants grow with sunlight. Grew. He grew taller last year. Grown. She has grown fast. Hide. He hides behind the door. Hid. She hid the letter. Hidden. I have hidden the money. Leave. He leaves for work at 8 a.m. Left. She left the meeting early. Left. I have left my bag at home. Mean. This word means happy. Meant. He meant to help. Meant. I have meant no harm. Ride. He rides a bike. Rode. She rode a horse. Ridden. I have ridden a camel. Ring. The phone rings loudly. Rang. She rang the bell. Rung. I have rung the alarm. Rise. The sun rises in the east. Rose. He rose from his chair. Risen. Prices have risen recently.